Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Chat with You. See, I remain your boy Oshman FX. So in today's episode, we are going to be analyzing charts as usual. Okay, and today's date is 16th of July 2026. So, and before we proceed, I would like us to say a brief prayer, our normal routine, and go into the market, do what we do best. Thank you very much. So let's pray. Heavenly Father, King of Glory, we have come to your means for your guidance. We have come to your means for your blessing, for your grace, to see the in-depth of the market, to see the market as professionals. Oh Lord, give us the privilege, give us the zeal to analyze the market so that the market will obey us and do as we work as we ask it or how we wanted it to move. Thank you very much. Oh Lord, I also want to pray for my fans, pray for my subscribers so that they will be doing well in their market, doing well in all they do, doing well in their businesses. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, let's proceed. Okay, guys, before we proceed, I want us to review the market, review the past analysis that we do, being gold and BTC. Okay, so I'll know the outcome of what we analyzed for those of you that have been following us. Okay, I know many of you will be okay. Let's review the market. Let's know how far and what we analyzed, the outcome. Okay, these are gold indices, and I want you guys to check out something or observe something. If you notice, we have been analyzing we have been working on with our watch list. So in our watch list, we have gold being indices, we have BTC crypto, and we have German 40. That's a what do they call it? I don't know. I think is futures. So we have VEX 25, that's synthetic, and we have GDP JPY, that's for like forex. So so today we will be starting with gold. Okay, we're going to be reviewing gold based on our past review, past market direction, market buyers and directions. So this daily time frame, okay, and we are going down to 1 hour time frame because we're not going to be wasting much time here. Okay, so last week on our last market review or market direction, we talked about gold breaking the disruption. Okay, we said that if gold break this disruption, we are selling, but unfortunately, we did not break it here, so he just tapped on it with the wick, which it still remain bullish. But unfortunately, it's now break the disruption. So automatically, we are looking for sales opportunities. Please, let's take note of this. Once the market or each pair breaks with the body of the candle, that's a disruption. We are looking for sales. So now, the other day, there was CPI news, okay, and the news moved the market massively. Again, even though some people would think that this market is now bullish, no, it's not bullish. We have entered in a bearish market. Like the market is now bearish, gold is now bearish for some time, okay, until it gives us another inducement and disruption. So okay, so now this CPI made the market to move upwards massively. Even okay, even if the news was so massive that it has to reshare, are you getting me? We are still selling. We look for sales opportunity. We look for Quasimodo reversal and we start selling. We look for key level and we start selling. Please, this is what I want you guys to know. Once it breaks with the body, we are looking for sales. And this is a life example. Are you getting me? This is a life example of what I'm teaching you guys. So, okay, now gold break with the body. I was not looking for buys. I did not even bother look for buys uh, trade. I did not even bother buying because I know that this market is now bearish and it will sell to some extent that it gives us another inducement and disruption. So now this is a quasi reversal. Okay, for those of you that know about it, okay, because why is it a quasi reversal? This is a key level that failed and we are selling the market now. If you see this, I'm in this trade now. Okay, I took this trade like with my full chest. I boldly took the trade. Like I have that huge confidence that this trade will play out. Thank you very much. We're moving next to the next thing on our list. That was BTC USD. Okay, last week also we analyzed that BTC is bullish. In our last analysis, we analyzed that BTC is bullish until it gives us inducement and it breaks our inducement and disruption. So now here is BTC. Like if you can see it, is BTC. And before I ended my video last week, I told you guys that I will be selling BTC for some time. Not like I'm selling it because the market is bearish. I'm selling it because it gave me a bearish like entry or execution. Like it gave me a bearish sign of not going that the market will move small bearish before going up. Okay, which I took the opportunity, but that was risky though. Okay, it was very very risky because it's not supposed. I'm not supposed to take a bearish trade, but I'm like I cannot be even though I don't force trade, but if I see an opportunity that suits my criteria of what I'm looking out for in the market, I will take it. So it gave us a reversal pass mode in here. Here, I took it at the 50% retracement with our Fibonacci. So and it sold like it sold massively. I was even not expecting it. Here was my initial my initial take profit, but it's okay. This place was my initial take profit, but I later expanded it. If you check my video, you see that it was this place that was my take profit, but I extended it to this place. Okay, then as we just take our profit due to this a counter trade, let me put it that way. My take profit was not that large. It was just brief, 1 to 3. I'm out. So forget this long RR. It's not. I did not actually waited for this long distance. So as it happened, it did not break our disruption. Okay, I know that this market is too bullish. It's too bullish, like it's too mad bullish. So unfortunately, boom, it went up. Maybe it's because of this. I don't know. I've been trying to find reason why it start buying because I would like to take the opportunity, but I did not see. So I leave it that way. So and we are still buying. I saw an opportunity here, even though that I did not take the trade, but I saw an opportunity here that gave us 1 to 3 before it started, 1 to 4 before it started reversing. Okay, because I know that this market is still bullish. It gave me I did not take this trade but I marked it out. So this trade is still bullish. Okay, it's still bullish. So I'll be buying until it breaks our recent because this is not our recent, if I'm not mistaken. It's not we are not analyzing BTC, okay? So we're going to once we are done analyzing the list we have here, I will start afresh. Or you guys will recommend more that I will analyze or I work on, being it currency pair, being it synthetic, being it indices, being it like name it. Okay, just name your pair, name any pair that you want. I'll work on it I'll tell you the direction of the pair. Okay, so that's what we are here for. So if I did not, once I cannot like lack pairs that I'm going to and I like work on. So just name your pair that you are finding it difficult to find the bias, the direction. I'm here. I'll do the work for you. Okay, that's my duty. That's why I'm here. So BTC is behind bullish. We're going to be buying, buying, buying till it breaks our recent disruption. Then we start selling. As I say, this is a transactional liquidity. Okay, this is a transactional liquidity. I'm supposed to buy till we until here because these are our recent higher high. So higher low. Sorry. Um, BTC is going to buy to this transactional liquidity. That's if we did not break our come down and break our destruction. Thank you very much. So now today we are going to be analyzing German 40. German 40. Please. Yeah, this is German 40 now. Am I mistaken? Is it not German 40? It's German 40 now. So, and as I told you guys, I don't normally analyze peer before I come to this video to come and do my videos. Okay, I do it live here. Like any mistake that I make here, I've made the mistake here. I did not like do the analysis before coming here. Then when I come, I'll play this perfect guy so until no, I don't do that. If I do mistake here, I will correct myself here and we learn together. Thank you very much. So now we start. Let me go and copy our template from here. So this is our template. This is the template we are working with. Copy. First of all, I would like to clear all these, remove drawings, then paste. Sharp. So in our list here, we are going to start with finding the range. Okay, by finding the range of the market. So the range circle, let me name it to the end. I'm going to be finding the range circle. So um this pair is giving me headache. I'll be honest. This pair is giving me headache because there is sparks on it, like before you know it, you just do boom, like are you getting me? All those kind of vibes. But regardless, we are going to still find the direction. Okay, don't panic. We're going to still find the direction. So as we said, if you know the rules, yeah, if you don't know the rules, or this is your first time watching our video, to find a proper range circle, you must have three consecutive um internals. Okay, you must have three consecutive internals. For to find a proper range circle, you must have three consecutive internals. So to find a valid internal, an internal must have SLQs inside it. Okay, it must have SLQ, that structural liquidity inside it. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's start. Let's just pinpoint our. Let's assume that this is our range circle. I mean, remember we are assuming. We are assuming, okay. Then this is our external and can also be called change of character. Okay, this is another one here. Or external can also be called change of character. Please let me change this setting. Don't like this dot something. here. Oh, jeez. Um, we have more. We have plenty of them. We have plenty. But the problem is that it be valid. That's the problem. Okay, not to have many change of but it be valid. Is it valid? Another one here. And also we have another one here too. It's interesting. And we have another one here. W's. W to the fucking chat. Okay. Mm, it's looking encouraging. Sorry, excuse me. So let's find out is if this range circle is valid. Okay. Let's find out if it is valid. So as we said before, to find a proper range circle, a valid range circle, it must have um that's an change of character can also be called external. So it must have internals inside it. Inside the change of character, you must have three or more internals inside it. Like this change of character now, it must have three or more internals. That's internals inside this thing for it to be valid. Okay, so let's dive in. To find the internals, we're not going to find it in the daily time frame. We have done everything we are doing here by marking out the externals, that's the change of character. So we are going down to 4 hour time frame to find our internals. Okay, to know if it is valid. You know, choose plan. Which plan? Which plan are you talking about? What's all this now? Don't like this, so don't like this at all. When do you guys start all this thing now? What's this? Oh, okay. So I'm using the free version of TradingView, and they are trying to tell me that I cannot go back further because I'm using a free version. That if I want to go back further, I have to subscribe. Okay, as you can see, that is here. I don't know when I started this, but I've not experienced this before. So let's go back to daily time frame. So I don't know. This is not how they do before, but since we can't go any further analyzing this year, I think I'll try and get my subscription, okay, so that I will stop having all these problems, all these issues of not going back more further. So, but we're not going to end that. We're not going to end video for today. We're not going to be like we are in motion, okay. We are not going to be stopped because of we have not subscribed. Okay, we are going to still go back to our watch list, and move to the next period that will allow us to go deep into the market. So in our watch list here we have VEX 25, that's synthetic for those of you that trade synthetic. So remember, you're going to still come back to this pair, this German fault, we are coming back to it. Okay, we are coming back to it, but not today anymore. We're going to analyze VEX 25 being synthetic. Okay, now we are on daily time frame of VEX 25. We are pasting our first of all we have to clear the chart. Then I'll paste my my blueprint, what I'll be looking out for in the chart. So now how do we find our range circle? Where is our range circle? First of all, to find a valid range circle, I've already stated that you must have three valid standards, that change of character. And to find a valid externals, you must have a valid internals. So to find a valid internals, you must have social liquidity inside it. Thank you very much. So let's assume that this is our range. Remember, we are assuming, okay, we are assuming, we have not verified it yet. We are assuming that this is our range, okay. So to know whether if this range is valid, it must have three valid externals, okay. And to find out if these externals are valid, it must have internals inside it, okay. So okay, this is our first change of character. This mouse is very flexible. And this is the second one here, and another one. This thing I'm marking out, so remember, a change of character can also be called an externals. So that you not be confused. So we have three externals. Okay, we have three externals. Now let's verify them and know whether if they are valid. We are going down to 4-hour time frame to know if these externals change of character are valid. Okay, so my network is very down and dull. Very down and dull. I don't know the reason why. I think we are limited again. Like, this is messed up, man. Like, it's messed up, really messed up. I'll try and subscribe to this thing. I think we are limited again. So we are going back to daily time frame. Let's know if we can mark out our internals here. Since the market is since this pair is really bold and visible. Okay. So that today will not just be like we did not achieve anything today. So thank you very much for your understanding. And as I said, I will try and subscribe. Okay, I'll try and subscribe. So in our first change of character being external, we have we have an internal. We have an internal here. Many of you will ask me, why didn't I start from here or here or here? No, we are starting with the recent. Okay, we are starting with the recent. So we have another one here. I'm feeling hot. We have another one here, and also we have another one here, which I don't know if it is valid, but let's look well and know if it's valid. Can you go down and check? I don't know why these people are limiting my charts. I don't know why, honestly. Let's see, it's not visible. Okay, at least we have find three. It's up to three, okay? So making it a valid change of character. Remember, this is a Vex 25 synthetic. For those of you that doesn't know that we have synthetic on trading view, you can go and search it now. If you write the pair you want. If it's step index, you add it underscore. Okay, for easy recognition. Remember that one here, and this one too is valid. It has structural liquidity inside it. So many of you will be wondering how do I find structural liquidity? It's even in daily time frame. Actually, it's something that I've practiced. I've practiced it multiple times. I'm back tested, so it's kind of easy for me, like way easy for me. And remember, if you want to learn from me, it's not complicated. It's very easy. All this thing I'm doing is very easy. You just write me on my email or any of my socials, and I will guide you. Okay, I'm a very free person, so don't be scared. If I should use that word, even though nobody is scared of anybody, so I'm not that big to approach. Okay, so this our first change of character here is valid. It's valid. Okay, it has internals like not one, not two. It has four to four. It has another one here, but it's very tiny. So I will not count it. But it has up to four internals, and the internals has structural liquidities. Okay, so this is our second change of character or internal. Sorry, external. We have our first. We have second. Hmm, this one is not up to three. It's not up to three, guys. It's not up to three. So it's not. It is not valid. 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 Not valid. Not valid at all. It's not valid. And these people will not allow us to go more back or back. You know. Wait, let me check. I'm coming, guys. Let me check. Let me check something. Excuse me, guys. I'm coming. Okay, this one is not up to three. Okay, so it's not valid. So it's not valid at all. This particular change of character stroke external is not valid. So we have another one here. We have another one here. Even though it's not so obvious, but if you go down to the 4 hour time frame, I believe that we can see it clearly, and we are not limited. Okay, so it seems like we have another. This is valid though. This one is valid, guys. It's valid. I forgot that we are in 4 hour time frame. Here you got trading view. We have another one here. Like we have many more. We have multiples of or more. We have up to like see plenty of them. God. That's why your time frame is very important, guys. It's very important. Because as soon as you say I use my daily time frame, I would have assumed that my internals are not valid or is not complete. Oh God, damn. So here we have another one, the one that I just marked, the internal external that I just marked. So we have one, we have two. All these things I'm marking are internals, okay, and the internal must have structural liquidity, being it series or dual, okay. So some of them might be complicated or hard to be like to find out or to notice. So, but we are going to still do it regardless. It's stressing me. Is this on magnet? Why is it now? Damn. Then we have another one here. The last but not the least here. So this one is valid. I don't need to come and be petting words or it's valid, like it's super valid. So now we have up to three. We're going to still tag them, but not now. Okay, one after the other. Remember, I always like my charts to be neat and self-explained. So this valid, this valid, and this valid. Now this is the last but not the least. We have our first our first our second, our thing here. All these things are together, all of them. Okay, let's just, it's supposed to be here because it's break with the body, but we are going to pair all of them. Like we're going to mark all of them together. And we also have another one here. On the last but not the least, we have another one here. So we start the charts. Our range circle is valid. Our range circle is valid. Let me tag them for easy recognition. Then I'm not going to mark the internal. I'm going to try and mark it though. We're not rushing. We have all the time, like plenty of time. So we have our externals stroke change of character. Okay, external, external, external. Then we're going to mark our internals. T, internals. We're going to tag those once we tag up to three, we stop to avoid complications. This one is up to three bar. So move to the next one. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, comment your pair that you want us to analyze or work on. comment, like, and share. Thank you very much. Like, I really do appreciate for those of you that have been watching my videos. I really do appreciate. Okay, you guys are doing a lot. I appreciate. Like, I really do appreciate. So this one is up to two. The last one, I'll make it three. We have another one here. Internal. Another one. Internal. Another one. I'll make it three. Internal. So at least we have tagged them and find our range circle, and our range circle is valid, super valid. So let's now mark out our transactional liquidity. That's the next thing on our list. Okay, but this list is not. I think I adjusted it before. Internal, transactional, and external. Okay, it's complete. Is it? Yes, it's complete. It's complete. Thank you. So we are now going to mark out our transactional liquidities. We have one here. We have another one here. All these ones. Am I going to mark them? Am I not going to mark them? We have another one here. So many of you will call it lower low. Yes, it's lower low. Um, these ones are not. These ones are valid though. I'll be honest with you. They are valid. They are valid, way valid. They are very okay, but it's meant to be swept. Even though there will be a reaction, yes, there will be a reaction because it's a zone like that is meant to hold. But for me, I am expecting it to be cleared, like cleared. In daily time frame, but let's go down. Now find out our transactional liquidities. We're not going to leave it this way. We're going to tag it. Okay, we're going to tag them all. And don't forget to follow me on X. Okay, follow my X account, Oshman_FX. Okay, follow me, engage on my post, please. Please. Yeah, it will go a long way, guys. Please. Okay, engage. Drop the pair that you want me to analyze to work on. Just drop it there, and I'll work on it. Okay, this is what I do. You know what? This is my thing. This is why we are here for. This is why this channel is created for. So I cannot be posting these things now. You guys will not be appreciating me. I didn't ask for money, just a little bit appreciation, okay? By following my social medias. So we have marked out our sorry. Oh God. This is not supposed to be rain, this is supposed to be transactional liquidity. Where is my mind? Sorry guys. Transactional liquidity. Hey God. This is funny. Sorry guys, sorry for that. I am really sorry. So now we are going down to 1 hour time frame to find out our what do they call it? Uh, Inducement and disruption to know the direction of the market. So down here going to mark out our inducement and disruption. This is where we find our PowerPoints. Yes, these are our PowerPoints. Because if you make mistake here, automatically you're not going to be correct. Your bias will be wrong. Your directional bias will be very, very wrong. Before that, let's start by marking out. Okay, as you already know, for a disruption to be valid, it must have two break of structures, okay, to be valid. So we have our first break here, first break of structure. We have our second break of structure here. So this is valid, okay? This is our first break of structure, second break of structure, okay. Since we have two break of structures, so now let's mark out our inducement and disruptions. And remember to mark your or to identify your inducement. Inducement is the second break of structure. Okay, so these are our inducement here. I don't want this video to be getting longer and longer. Please, I'm sorry for that, but remember we are not here to rush. This is a very vital something that is supposed to be we're supposed to calm down and they work on, okay, because money is involved. You have to be very, very careful about it. So these are our inducements and these are our disruption. So if this market did not break this in disruption, we are not buying for any reason. Any buying we are buying is a counter buy. We are going against the market and we are taking, if normally forex is a very risky professional career. But once we are buying at this moment, we are taking like we are risking. We just want to throw away the money. Are you getting me? So the market is bearish. We keep on selling. You will find opportunity. We are selling until it breaks. Okay, until it breaks. And if the markets continue to sell, we keep on updating our inducement and disruption. It's not going to remain here. For those of you that doesn't know, it is not going to remain here. You not tell me that okay, if market something like this happens, we're not going to use this our inducement and this as our induction. We're going to use it of course. We're going to use it until continuously, repeatedly. So now let's know if there is any possible entry or negative, any possible trade that we can take. So even though, okay, let me talk to you now. Even though I'm seeing a buy opportunity in this market, yes, I'm seeing a buy opportunity. I'm seeing a Quasimodo reversal in this market, in this chart. Okay, but me taking it, I'm taking a risk. And okay, which is not worth it. The risk is not worth it. So this is a key level that failed. It's a key level that failed. So I'm supposed to, as me say this market is bullish. Okay. Like for say okay, let me buy this pair because I see a perfect, wonderful, sweet entry that will make me a very nice money. Okay. But I will not take it. I'll be honest with you, I will not execute it because it's going against my structure. Some of you can take it, it will go well, fine and good because remember this is a reverse for this is a Quasimodo reversal. It's meant to be valid, but for me I'm not taking it. Okay. So for those of you that will take the opportunities, take it and comment in my post, in my Twitter, in my X. Follow my X, follow my subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and also If there's any way you can support, you can send your support, even though I'm expecting or requesting for anything in order. So thank you very much and may God bless you. And also I want to appreciate those of you that keep on liking my videos and subscribing, watching my video from the beginning to the end. I really do appreciate. Okay, I appreciate, guys. And we're going to drop your comments, drop your peers. Okay, challenge me. Like, I want you guys to challenge me, please. That critic, that pain that you are finding so difficult to find in direction. Come on, write me. I mean, drop the peer, drop the peer, just drop it. Okay, I will take the challenge, guys. Thank you very much and may God bless you. Have a nice day, wonderful day.